we have some sheikhs, some leaders from the Arab world came to Christ, and they making discipleship groups for other sheikhs. The way is, when they hear the episode in the TV, they become furious and angry. They want to reply and to attack these messages in the episodes. They write it down and they go to the references, because I don't speak without references. So they go back to the references and they find it's true. What's that? It's true. Where is the truth? And from here, they start their way to search for the truth. And I say that this is the hand of God. This is the work of the Holy Spirit who leads them to the truth. You know? And then they ask us, how could they be baptized? You know? Through the emails or through the pastor chatting room, and we guide them to some priests to baptize them. You know? There are many, many, many people are now baptized. Many priests tell me that we have many people now asking us to be baptized. We do not find time to baptize people. That's great, great. So, after they come to the truth, they are baptized. Then they start to preach others. He pretends that he is a sheikh, you know, but because he would be killed if he says that I am Christian, and he will lose his position, what his family will do, you know. So he keeps himself like that, and then speaks secretly to others about Jesus Christ. It's not a wisdom to declare that he became Christian. And the verse which says, who denies me in front of people, I'll deny him in front of the angels of God. It does not apply for that, in my opinion. Why? I say, if he directly asked about his faith and he denies, then he will be a denier. But if no one asks him about his faith, why for? He declares that he is Christian, you know, and there is no prophet beyond that. So he should be wise. And Jesus Christ said, be wise like snakes. The snake hides herself, you know. Do not declare that